Kaneshie, pamprom.
No matter the investment that we made, at the end of the day, we'll be back to square one. And I'm not prepared to spend your money in that way again.
Yo guys, this your boy Nino Busy Boy and the girl better than usual racket. If you don't know, yo Afino, aka Giddy Bantown, aka One Down, aka Brown, aka Bakobi Cracker. Me refi. Chale, yan twasu. Chale, we all know what's trending in Ghana right now. I mean our current situation. Accra to be precise. So okopi baby to say Korle-Bu teaching hospital or Accra. And I feel kaneshie pamprom and S.T.C yard. So I Accra areho pa but answer na yebe bibia no and I say yebe kan bibia no mummy enko hwe video no yebe to aye nkomo didie so.
Kaneshie, pamprom.
See about Akufo Addo is secretary. Papers in apple, tables in
condemn.
it's in papers. I'm going to patch your paper, man.
Yeah, my job cast, I say.
It's the S.T.C for job cards, and then I said, pass. And it's here. And so
Korle-Bu.
Okay, welcome back guys. A year 24th of May 2022 and a endra dear insui and I insu to ewo Accra dear a year yeni. Some part of Accra kaneshie pamprom and afi Korle-Bu teaching hospital and S.T.C yard and some areas be a eka ho de ensuo no etimi eye ehoni but ni nyina so like ke wo say ye blame ye ho cause ye ya na yakose enima we nyina but ansa na ye beka eno no ho asem no momman moyensem ema captain smart wa ya de ye pa like watimi akogina ensuo yi mo airport like me who video no krampo na like nwanwa so I was shocked. Say reporters but for me I will never do that. Me nyesa ankwase asemi. You see wherever I go my village people them they follow me and them they watch me like this them they watch me like this. Na masan so abo me homodin ana abo me hompem asa akugina sansu we mo obetwema wuram. Okay, after this flood, on my pennies also aba become baby. So President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo, aka Addo Gagai, aka Addo Primine, aka Addo Rockstar. President Nana Addo Dankwa meets with members of the Ghanaian community in Toronto. Nti ehoi ena ka sa asem we. Nti asema oman pani eka nyina eni se ne ekokoso nyina ya ankasa ye fort na ansa na yebesi ho kwan na ewo se yetimi efixie ho ya fixie ho a yentimi enfixie country no ena asema o kan so so menene ye adwen 100% cause ya fixie ho a like we all know or we all knows the causes of these things. Wow. Cause ye nwura na se enso eto a na ya pekwan bi so na ye de akogu like enso ni bisa de enso no e de nwura no anase waste no ebeko for ye no ye nim say like is the right way but to be so in nim pass ade a o ye no like enye ade papa by still obeye onim bibini ebeye den o wiase emu ebeye den o wiase. Okay, so yenkona yenkoshe anase yenkoni yenkotie Nana Addo Dankwa Addo Gagai Addo Primine ensema odito members a omo Toronto enimu yaba yedede akanyina so ebeto omo so but ansana no o hwe Star Media Ghana intimacy one say obe subscribe to our channel said like any video bia yebe bia no unsa enso ebetimi akabi na wahwe inti yenko na yenhwe video no yaba yedede akanyina ebeto omo so.
We want this, we want that. But the attitudinal change that would enable us to be able to make to bring value to these demands, that is always left out up till today. Whilst as the Ojo River is being drenched, there are still people at home who, when the rains come, think that the easiest way to deal with dirt in their houses is to throw it out into the gutter center. Those things have to come to a stop. We all have to speak to each other in Ghana to bring those things to a stop. Because if we don't, no matter the investment that we made, at the end of the day, we'll be back to square one. And I'm not prepared to spend your money in that way again.
Okay, so what our president Addo Gagai is saying is true. And okwasem and all kind of. You see, like omaina ankasa efesi niema bebre ya ankasa na yekosi bebre ya yekosi anase niema yekosi cause se Accra Floods miye ya ni akosi ena ya ansunsu na ebesan so akuyen da media menka ho mo ansunsu na ebesa akum wow se obeye nwura na odi agu gatamu say ensu eto a emetwene nko say nwure yanzo na eko choki gates a ewo say like ensu na efamu pi eko ba bia ewo say eko bia nti say nwure yi eko choki gates yi na say ensu ne to na say enya ekwan bia enwuram empi ba bia ewo say pia bua na bebu afa so nti say ye nyai say ye niema we ya yenso ye nyai say ye be hu sa niema say. So we need to fix ourselves. Inti esramo aha ena yede enedie ensonso ebesi. Inti misrewa se o hwe ya Star Media Ghana so na o hwe misrewa se won subscribe to our channel na misrewa subscribe my why subscribe my na hit notification bell no sene ebeya ye the video bia tomorrow one of the first person a obetini enso ahwe nti misremo a ohwe enso a na wa share ama afoforo enso a ebia omo enso ehwe ye na omo enso ahwe cause na ewose we etimi call na obi biara like onhwe video no ana say onti de ekọ no ono enso ebehu de ekọ na ye nyina ya etimi aboa na ya fix the country no ye de besia edamase bebre.